Yeah, g'day, it's Bowen from Bowen's Garage. Got a bit of a special one for you today. But just before I go on, thank you to Derek, who opens the garage door and then shuts it at the end of the video. And as you can hear, the Bow Jingles, they're just a great band. They'll be doing pubs as soon as they're open, I'm tipping. Anyway, I'm in the Toyota C-HR Koba, K-O-B-A, the Koba. It's a hybrid, and it's a hybrid that costs just under 40 grand, probably over 40 grand when you get it on the road. It's a quirky little thing. Who would have thought Toyota would be making cars that look like this 10 years ago? It's novel. I think I like it. There's a bit of Yaris happening at the front, and there's, you know, more creases than many of my t-shirts. But overall, you know, come on, let's give Toyota a bit of a break here. I mean, they've had a red hot go producing something attractive. Now, this car, being a hybrid, and Toyota do hybrids the best. They've been doing it since the 90s. A hybrid is basically the gateway into the world of electrification when it comes to cars. It's got a battery and an engine that work in tandem to give you a little bit extra range when it comes to fuel efficiency. So it's possible to creep along in what they call EV mode here when you're stuck in traffic. The engine's not running at the moment. I'm just using complete battery power here. Eventually the battery, because they're much smaller than, you know, what you would find in a full electric vehicle, the battery will, you know, need to be replenished. So again, the engine kicks in, basically acting as a generator. All the Toyota hybrids have been paired with a continuously variable transmission, like forever. I mean, I've got a 2010 Camry hybrid. It had the CVT back then. I'll tell you why I just go on about those transmissions. I'll give it a little example here off the mark. Left and right, all clear. Listen to it. Yeah, so you get the point. You get the point. This is not my complete review, but the Koba does come with a lot of gear. Apple CarPlay is there, which was just unheard of for Toyota not too long ago. And can I just say too, when I jumped in this car, I went, wow, I mean, this is built very well. It's rock solid. It feels really great in your hands. Good steering wheel, nice and thick. It's a fairly hushed ride as you move along. Often road noise creeps into hybrids because you don't have any engine noise at times, but I am very surprised. The only thing that is a little bit disappointing is the handling. I feel like the chassis is capable of doing so much more, but it doesn't. You know, you give it a bit of a punt through these S-bends here and it's kind of galloping along, if you know what I mean. But hey, a lot of retirees buy this sort of car, so why would they be driving like a bloke who's just robbed a bank? Anyway, I hope you're enjoying Bowen Cam, and I plan to use it a lot more in the future. Don't you worry about that, my friends. But given I'm about to enter my own suburb, I'm about to switch it off because I look bloody weird. I'm Chris Bowen. There will be normal resumption of programming in terms of your YouTubing and your Facebooking after this video, I hope. Until next time, goodbye.